Sige nga. Sige nga. Sige nga. Eh, pulis oh. May pulis sa harap oh. Sige nga.
Bawat sulok ng Pilipinas ay may kwento. Mula sa tuktok ng bundok, sa malalayang pulo, hanggang sa makulay na kalsada ng mga lungsod. Merong isang hindi natatapos na paglalakbay. Dahil sa bawat hakbang, sa bawat destinasyon, may isang bagong kwento na naghihintay. Ang bawat tagpo ay nagpapaalala ng kung gaano kahalaga ang pagmamahal sa sariling bayan. Ang pangarap natin, hindi lang makita ang lahat ng ito, kundi ma-experience ang lahat ng adventures, hamon, at higit sa lahat, pagmamahal sa Pilipinas. Tara, libutin ang sariling atin.
Alright mga pards, we are currently at Pateros nga. At pupunta tayo ng Taguig City Hall. Lagi tayong pupunta dito, pero sa area ng BGC. Yan, ito yung lagi natin napupuntahan, area na ito, BGC. Nasaan yung BGC? Ayan. So lagi naman tayo dito pupunta, pero sa area lang na ito, BGC area. Yan, Fort Bonifacio. And we've never been sa Taguig City Hall, which is located sa located siya sa eastern part ng Metro Manila. Ayan, this is Taytay. Nandito tayo ngayon sa municipality ng Pateros, at nandyan siya. Ayan, dumadaan tayo dito lagi, C6. So malapit na pala siya sa C6. Ayan, sige, puntahan natin. Let's go. At padilim na. 10 minutes, malapit lang. 10 minutes, malapit lang. So pabalik tayo dito. Diyan ang... So pabalik tayo dun, papunta tayo dun, mag-U-turn lang tayo. Let's go, Taguig! That's the park, nakasarado lang siya ngayon. Yan yung park ng Pateros. Okay, thank you Pateros. Let's go to Taguig. And we are approaching Taguig City na. Who's this? This is Cap TNL, Tabak ng Lahi, Guillermo Manalo. So very historic din ang Taguig. Marami dito contribution sa history and currently sa economics. Medyo naging controversial nga rin ito dati between Taguig and Makati City. But yeah, ganoon naman talaga, things happen. At tayo naman mga Pilipino, makakapag-adjust naman tayo dun. Tayo pa ba? Yun o, karera. So we are just a few minutes away from Taguig City Hall. At bago tayo makarating sa ating destination, eto na muna ang quick history ng Taguig City.
Taguig is located in the southeastern part of Metro Manila. It's approximately 11 to 13 kilometers away from Luneta Park, depending on the route. That's roughly 30-minute drive on a good day. Ibig sabihin, hindi masyadong traffic. It's always been traffic. Taguig is bordered with Makati and Pasig to the north, Muntinlupa to the south, Pateros and Pasay to the west, and Taytay and Cainta in Rizal Province to the east. Taguig has become a fishing village along the Taguig River, officially founded as a town in the 1580s under Spanish rule. It was once part of Rizal Province before it became a part of Manila in 1975. On December 8, 2004, Taguig officially became a city under the Republic Act 8487. The name Taguig is believed to come from the Tagalog word tagagiik, meaning rice thresher. It reflects the town's agricultural roots, where rice farming and threshing were common livelihood back in the day. Tagagiik. So that's the Taguig. Spanish missionaries and colonial authorities likely recorded and adopted the local name Taguig during early colonization, based on what the locals called themselves. As of recent estimate, Taguig is home to more than 886,000 people, making it one of the most populous cities in Metro Manila. Taguig spans around 54,000 square kilometers. It's larger than Pasig and Makati, but smaller than Quezon City and Manila. Taguig has 28 barangays, with a mix of urban center like Fort Bonifacio and historical communities like Tipas and Napindan. Some of the famous names from or associated with Taguig includes Lino Cayetano, former mayor and director, Pia Cayetano, a senator, Nico Bolzico, and Solen Yusuf, who were once residents in BGC area. Pero hindi na sila taga rito. I think they're from Muntinlupa na. And many vloggers and creators who call Taguig home. If you're visiting Taguig, don't miss these awesome places. Syempre, BGC or Bonifacio Global City. High-end shops, murals, cafe, and skyscrapers. St. Anne Parish Church, one of the city's oldest churches. Venice Grand Canal Mall. A slice of Italy in the Philippines. The Mind Museum. Fun for families and science lovers. Nandiyan rin syempre ang Tipas Eateries. Here's some interesting facts about Taguig. Taguig was once home to the Philippine Army Headquarters. BGC was formed a part of the American military base or Fort McKinley. The Taguig River and Laguna de Bay play a big role in its ecosystem. It's one of the fastest developing cities in the Philippines. Taguig is now a hub for tech, finance, and luxury living. Medyo mahal niyang tumira dito. From its humble beginnings as a rice farming town to one of the most progressive cities in the country, Taguig is truly where heritage meets innovation.
Same nang nasabi ko sa mga adventures natin dito sa Metro Manila. Napupuntahan natin ang mga bagong lugar. I've been through Taguig many times, pero BGC area lang. Itong area na to, first time ko dito. Iglesias of Viola. Yun ang nakakatawa at nakakapagbigay ng excitement dito sa adventure natin. Kahit nga hindi natin ito maikutan lahat, hindi natin maikutan the best things that Taguig or a city can offer, pero ang importante na-achieve natin yung objective natin. And also, kung ano man ang mga special things na may offer ng lugar na to or any lugar, especially kung nasa NCR, malapit lang naman at pwede nating balikan. So we are nearing the Cayetano Boulevard. Saan siya? Okay. This is, I would say, one of the busiest thoroughfare ng Taguig City, aside sa BGC of course. The Cayetano Boulevard, this connects Bayan papuntang BGC area, which is across there. Busy-busy oh. U-turn tayo dito. Sabi, U-turn daw tayo. Ayan, so first time nga natin sa segment na ito na makapag-motorsiklo. At ito na may advantage. Yan, pag nakamotor ka sa Metro Manila, ingat lang, pero makakapagsingit-singit ka. Yan, U-turn tayo dito. Ang busy ng lugar na to, grabe. Ang sigip. Ay, nako. Pwede ba ako dito, sir? Pwede ba makisingit, sir? Ayaw ni sir. Sige. Uy, dami rin dumadaan na aeroplano dito. Pwede. Pagi. Pwede. Sir, makidaan. Thank you. Makidaan. Thank you. 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 Okay na magsingit-singit. Just be. Uy, Just be careful and be polite. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. O diba, polite lang. O, padaanin, padaanin, kung alanganin. Uy, rush hour. Adventure bike. Adventure nga naman. Kasalukuyan po nagkukumpulan kami dito. Mga kababayan nating rider kasama sa biyahe pa uwi. Ini-entertain ko lang sarili ko. Pero still, pagod na ako. Lapit na, konti na lang. 100 meters, liliko na tayo. Oop. Ayan, sa tapat natin, di na tayo makakadaan dyan. Pero sa tapat natin, may malaki establishment. Again, first time ko sa lugar na to. There's a Vista Mall there. That's Vista Mall Taguig. Scallop. Hindi ko mabasa. Liliko na tayo dito. Alright, liliko na po kami. Papunta City Hall na to. Ang busy dito, ang busy. Okay, that's Taguig City Hall. Makapasok pa kaya tayo? Pwede. Ayan, pwede, pasok tayo. Hello, sir. Ayan. Picture lang po. Yan. At since wala, dito na lang tayo. Yan, improvise tayo dito para sa stand natin. Taguig. Alright. So that's Taguig. Closing na tayo mga pards. This ends our batch para sa libutin ng sariling atin featuring Taguig. So nakatatlo tayo ngayon. That's Pasig, Pateros, and Taguig. So far, very fulfilling. Medyo stress ng konti, pero okay lang. Uy, ganda ng kotse oh. Nice car. Okay. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. At please do not forget to subscribe to the channel para updated kayo sa mga videos at mga adventures natin. That's it for today mga pards and mga Mars. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang video natin today. At lagi natin tatandaan, kiliban sa motor at sa adventures, bakit ka papipili? Hard work pays off. Pwede both. Sir, thank you po. Sorry sa abala. Nice, World Bicycle Day. Thank you. So that's Taguig. Woohoo! Imagine kahit gabi na, busy pa rin. Dami pa rin tao. Ito event yata. Sige, uwi na tayo. This is Bambang Taguig. Follow the road lang tayo. Nice car. Old but gold. Ganda naman ng car mo, sir. Ganda ng kotse mo, sir. Wow. SG9 someday. Mga parts. are at C6. Ayan, familiar na ito. That's Taguig. Pauwi na tayo. Doon lang pala yun. Doon lang pala ang City Hall ng Taguig. This is Bigutan. Chaos. Chaos. SM Bigutan Expressway.